Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to build a own portfolio website without using a single code. As I mentioned in our recent video, created our own portfolio. A website, it can help us to connect with the interviewer, or you can say to get a job, right? Nowadays the AI has become too popular in the world, so it is good to we should upgrade ourselves, unlike just to use a single resume, right? All right, this is the very popular website was I was talking about, which is Webflow. So let me show you just little bit how we gonna build it. So as you can see here, this is the website I have created for you guys. Let me open it. Okay, so these kind of website we will create. For example, the we will give name of the person, what is the MJ Mark, and I have given the I have around 5 years data analyst experience and all this kind of stuff, whatever. That if we will click on the contact, it'll right now it is not showing because I'm operating in the laptop. Okay, so like if I will click on the contact, so it will take us to the direct, to the Instagram page or whatever page you had, right? And whatever information you will give, even I will show you how to build these kind of website, right? You can build according to your own choice. All right, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so before we begin our video, let me give you some basic idea about the Webflow. What is the Webflow, like, how it's work actually. So basically a Webflow is kind of website where you can create your own portfolio, but make sure work in it. So how you gonna work it? What you have to do, you just have to create in start building. You can click here also, and you can click here also, like get started for free. This is the paid version. They have paid version as well as free version. So for now I will sign up with the Google. You can also sign up with your any account, whatever account you have. Let me sign up. Here you can see, you can give a name of your Webflow project, or whatever portfolio you are gonna build it, like your resume and whatever you want. So you can give your information. Like for now I will give my about data. So for myself, I'll click on myself, continue. Yes, you are a student. No, I'm not. So here we what type of site are you looking for to build? So as you can see here, it's asking you the few questions which you have to fulfill, like what type of site are you looking to build today. All right, so I'm gonna build as a portfolio website. So I'll click on portfolio, just click okay. Are you interested in hiring someone to help build your website? No, I don't want. If you want, you can hire somebody, but we will create our own. So I'll click on no. Just finish it the basic requirement which Webflow asking, and then we will just dig in the Webflow. All right, and we will understand how to create a portfolio today. So after you create a your workspace, just select the free one, the zero one. Now the main part start here. All right, what you have to do, but make sure you have allowed to make only two portfolio for free. You cannot make more than that, but you can edit if you want. In future, after you creating, you can edit it. What we will do, we will click on new site. Okay, here we have lot of template as well. If you like any of the template, you can pick directly from here, but make sure there is a some what you call the paid template as well. But it's like IT company template. Okay, so if you will see this, you can edit this also, but we will pick the blank one because we have to make it from the scratch, right? So I'll name as a my portfolio. You can give name as per your choice. For now I'll give you my portfolio name. I'll say create site. Okay, so here we are going to create our website without writing any single color. All right, if you have ever worked on the WordPress, so you will find out the same elements, like structures or basics or photography or whatever the elements you want, like section, container, the columns will be somewhere here, like Let me go a little bit down. Yeah, so columns. So all the elements we have the layout. If you want, so you can use the Webflow layout. Just click on here and you'll see all the layout. If you can you can copy paste all this. This is all free. Okay, but if you want the paid one, you have to pay for this. But right now we are going to work on the free one only. So we will create something like this. Like as I can see here, I have given my brand name here. So this is the logo of my channel and the home and about me and contact details. My name in the what I did and like how you can contact me. This is my photo, like something like this. We are gonna do it, and the more the the more element we will add, the page will become like that, the bigger. So we can assign the navigation button and everything. Let's come back to our blank page. So first thing what we have to do, I'll just go here and from here I'll choose this section. What I will do, I'll drop it here. So as you can see here, we have a section. Let me cancel this. Okay, so as you can see here, so maybe now you got a little bit idea, in the elements what we have in the elements and everything. And the main part is here, the navigator. In navigator we will see in which box we have what the information we are gonna put inside the which box, and everything we will see in this navigator, like how we gonna build our portfolio and whatever the resume you can say. So everything we will see here. And then main part comes here when we have to just you have to click on this plus icon, and from here you have to select the elements. We will pick the element according to our choice, our requirement, and after that we will start building our portfolio. So first thing what we will do, I'll just drag this section from here and I'll drop it here. Okay, so as you can see here, we have section, you can see in the navigator also. Then what we will do, okay, then we will go back again to the elements, and from here I'll choose the container. I'll drop it somewhere here inside the section. Okay, the section which we have created. So as you can see here, we have a container, but we want only two sides. Like you can select from here whatever you want. Just go to the layout or whatever layout you want. You can select from here the horizontal, vertical, like if you want only two or whatever you want. And you can adjust the size also according to your choice. It's not necessary that keep it same size. Okay, so now we have one container over, sorry, section over here. Okay, then what we will do, what we have to do as per our resume, in one side we will keep a photo and one side we will keep some information like contact details and what I do, like small description about myself. And what else we can do, we can do like whatever, like these kind of things we can we have to do it here, right? So for that I'll go to the element again. From here we can pick the columns. So where is the columns? I'll pick this column, I'll keep it some inside this section. So as you can see here, it's showing like how you want the section, like 6 by 6 and whatever you want, like like this, or however you want, you can choose. But we want only two column. I'll just click on it. Oh, what is this? Okay, so sometime what happened, as you can see here, the columns goes inside the body. Now we want inside the section, right? What we will do, I will just drag inside the section. But if you want, you can edit this also. If you want like 3 section, you can do it. Like if you want 4 section, but I want 2 only. Now we want some image over here, right? So like let me download it from the Google. So to get an image, what we have to, let me upload the image. You can use your own image. Just go here and click on the image. From here you can choose the image from your own laptop, or if you have already in workspace, but I'm gonna use it from the laptop. Just drag it here. You can drag and drop, you can upload also. So as you can see here, we got the image over here. Now we have image, right now we just have a image, we didn't drag it in our page. Now what we will do, okay, so you can drag your image inside the column, whatever column, or you can keep it somewhere here. Just if you will double click on it, you just click on the choose image, and the image we have selected, just double click on it. Okay, so it will come here. You can adjust the size according to your choice, like the width and height, whatever you want. You can, if you want to replace, you can do that. Otherwise you can do it from here also. All right, So for now I'll keep it something like this. This must be a good. Okay, so now we have the image, we have the another column, and this is our main container, the first one, the body, right? The section we what I will do, I'll just click on this main section somewhere here. Then I'll go back to the elements, and from here I'll drag this heading inside the, oh, it's somewhere wrong. Let me do it again. I'll drag it from here to the columns. Okay, column 2. As you can see here, we got our heading. So you can give name. For now I'll give name like, all about data. Okay, then you can do the modification according to your choice. Okay, so now we have a heading. What I will do, I'll click on this column 2. Now I want everything in column, inside the column 2, about my channel, right? So what I'll do, I'll go back here again, or do one thing, I'll just replace this image. This, to replace, I'll just click on the replace image. Okay, this will be fine. Okay, because we are making a portfolio, and everything we are giving information about my channel only, so it would be good, you know to make same. Okay, now what we will do, and I'll click on this column 2, and now we have to give some description, right? So for that, I'll drag this description from here inside the column 2 again. Oh, oh, okay. So as you can see, the sometime what happened, the alignment was not good. What you can do, you can do it from here also, just adjust like this, and the first one you can delete it. Okay, if you want, you can do it directly from here also, but this is sometime become a little bit harder, right? So this is our column 2. What else? We will add one button also here. Will in the button section, what we will do, we'll give our contact information. Okay, so these three we have right now. Now what we will do, we'll click on this heading, and I'll give a name as a main heading. Name for this heading, main heading. Okay, created main heading. This is our main heading. As you can see, this is, I'll give name as a about my channel, like this. I'll select it, about my channel, what we did, and this button name we will give contact info. Contact info. Okay, I'll select this contact info. Okay, so if somebody will click, they can see this is the contact info, this is my channel, and the main heading. You can give name main heading, or you can name as, like, rename this. You can give channel name, or whatever you want. In your case, what will be that, this will be like my name, in this about me, and the button contact. Okay, that will be. Now we will do some modification from here, like this is going to require, let's keep it 20. No, keep it 0 only, that would be good. Okay, now what else we can do, let me adjust this size somewhere. If you will drag this little bit here. Okay, this is look good, right? How I did, just click on the any column, setting. Now why I'm doing this, the logo is taking a lot of space, like that is unnecessary. So it would be better if we will keep it somewhere like this look better, right? Now we have more space than before, right? Okay, now we have to give a, now what you have to give, we have to do styling. Just click on the style. Now we will increase this size. For why I'm increasing this size, to give a like, the space between these two, like, the about me and the channel name. So I can do it like this. See, I know the video going to become a big, but it's take time to create a website, guys. Okay, so don't think like, in 10 minutes or 15 minutes everyone can teach you to make a website. If somebody can teach you like this, I would suggest please go with them. Okay, but I'm not that good or that fast to explaining, so that's why video become little bigger. Okay, So I'll give this much space. Now I want to give a space between button and this description also. I'll keep it here and I'll drag it little bit. Okay, the alignment is good now. Okay, or we can give little bit more space here, or let's see, let's keep 38. Okay, no, no, not 38, this one, right? Let's keep it 25. Okay, but it's become bigger now. We have to reduce this, the by mistakenly I did that 33. Okay, now we have to reduce more. Let's drag it. Okay, this looks good. Okay, okay, fine. Now what I will do, I'll give it, change the name of this, the style and font and the fill fit. Okay, keep it. The font we can choose which one you like, guys. Please do let me know. It's very difficult to select the font sometime. Okay, for this also we'll keep it, the font change. Okay, this is looking fine. Okay, this this shall, okay, let's change for this also. Otherwise he'll say, oh my god, why you didn't change me. Okay, so in button, just double click on it, or you can say click to contact, click to contact, contact me. Okay, or you can write only contact us, or like this. Okay, now if you want, you can change the background color as well. If you want to keep it bold or normal, this will be something like this. The height and width you can choose. The style, if you want to keep it, okay, this look good. Or you can, no, no, this doesn't look. Resume, in resume don't use these kind of things. I'm just showing you that you'll get a more idea, yeah? Now it's come to the background. In background, how you gonna keep it, you can keep it, or transparency, and whatever things you want to change, you can do it, but I don't want to change anything in the background. Okay, maybe now you got a little bit idea, right, how you can build your own resume here. Now what we will do, but I think for this we will change, sorry, where did I click? Okay, the, oh, it's look nice, huh? Or let's try with the blue one now. The basics things we have done already. Now next thing what we have to do, in the contact me, what we have to give, of course we have to give some information, right? If like if somebody click on this contact me, they should call me, right? So first we will see here, as you can see here in desktop mode. Let me play it for now. See, in desktop mode your website will look like this. Okay, but you have to do the adjustment according to your page, right? So now if somebody will open in the tablet, it will look like this something. Okay, and if somebody use the mobile phone in landscape, it will look like this, and in the normal phone size it will look like this. Okay, so you can do the adjustment according to your choice. Okay, in the about me, just double click on it. You can write here, in here you can write some about yourself, like I'm a data analyst, or I have more than this experience, I'm looking, whatever the you suits you. Okay, for me, like I can write about me, like you can ask chat gpt also to write a description for you. Like for me, if I want to write uh, write a short description about my channel, that here we create video on the data analyst or business analyst related topic. It will correct the spelling and all. See, this is, he give me the very good, just copy and paste it here, bro. That's it. Nothing else we have to do it. Okay, I'll just click on this contact me. I'll go down little bit and change the color of according to our see, color coordination is should be a perfect, you know you can choose the color whatever for suits you. And okay, done. Now I want this shouldn't be like, if you saw in any website the contact me button not always in the square, I it should be like, the curve, right? So what we have to do, just click on this border. You'll see somewhere radius. Okay, the radius, just drag it, it will curve the size. Okay, this look more good, right? You can keep it like this. Okay, now until here we are done. Now you'll click on this contact me and go to the settings. You'll see some URL over here, but in contact me I don't want to give any link or page or any email ID. I just want to give like my email ID, sorry, my phone number. So you have to give your complete number with the country code. For example, I'll give like country code and the number, whatever number you are using, like this, just tab it. Now just click like this. So if you will play this, and you'll see, if you click on this icon, it's showing my portfolio, this webflow.com. Oops, click to call link don't work on this device. Okay, if you will click from the phone or tab, it will call, because now it's showing what you call that you cannot use because of these kind of things, like, from the laptop you cannot make a call, right? That's why it's showing that. Okay, let's go back. Now this three part is done. Now I'll go here, I'll use one navigation button from here. Sorry, navigator it's called. You'll found somewhere navigator where it's, no, it's been long time I didn't use Webflow. That's why I found. Okay, see this nav bar use maybe in every, what you call, in every website you find, you'll see this. Why I'm saying this, because you'll see this nav bar in home, about me, contact in the top right. Now it's on the bottom, so what I will do, I'll drag this in the top of the column. Okay, so you can see the nav bar over here, or you can do the alignment as per your choice. Now what I will do, I'll select this, I'll go to the style and go a little bit down. The color, the we have to give a same color, right? Like this. Which one? You can copy this, the same color of the page you can copy, and you just click on this now, and the transparency I'll paste it here, so we will get a same color, right? Oh sorry. Okay, this color we want. Here also we want the same color. Just copy paste like this. It is good to select a color this way, rather you are selecting from like that way. So this is for brand. If you have your any uh, channel or logo, something like this, so you can put your brand. What you have to do, just the same image, whatever image you have, like for my channel, I'll put it down here, or you can reduce the size. Okay, okay, and then what I will do, I'll go to the soul setting. From here you can add a link of your website and whatever the things you have. So this is your brand. Okay, so until here we are fine. What I did, I just go here and go to the setting. If you want to add more link, you can do it like this. You can do it, right? But I don't want for now, so let me delete this. I don't want this. This is fine. In home tab, what I want, if I will go to this setting, okay, now I will, when you will publish this, just copy paste this link. If somebody will click on this home tab, it will take you to this screen. Okay, now we'll just click on tab. It will default and we will click on the open new tab. Okay, now if you will see, let me open it. This is the tab, right? If you will click on this home tab, it will take you to the same your portfolio after publishing. Okay, but it'll look like this. If somebody open in the tab, it'll look like this, and if somebody open in the mobile, it'll look like this. This is your photo will be there, all about data, and your then if they will scroll down, like more information you will add, it will come like that way. So clear. In home we give a one link. About what link you can give, like, you can give about your LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a very good. it is good if you can give a LinkedIn. Like for now, I'll give my what you call uh, Instagram link. Okay, so for now, like I will copy this Instagram link from here and I'll go to here. In the link, I can give a, or I will give new tab. I want they should, when they will click on this about section, it should take us to the our Instagram page and you can see all the information. Okay, and in contact also you can give your email ID or phone number. For example, I have this is the for the random ID. This is not actual ID actually. So this is like this. Oh, okay. In email, sorry, all about data at the rate gmail.com or Yahoo, whatever you have, you can give like this. Okay. So in link to what I will do, in link I can double tab on it, or you can see YouTube, and I will give my YouTube link. Okay, so this is the basic things we can do. First, in the top it should be your about your main information, like if I will paste it here, I'll just click on the new tab. So now as you can see here, if I will go to the play in home tab, it's showing the home tab of your Webflow, right? In about, it is taking us to our Instagram page, but in your case please put your LinkedIn profile, it is good, right? If you will click on this contact, it will take you to the email where from somebody, if using a laptop or something, so they can email you anything like that, right? And if you will click on this YouTube, it will take us to the YouTube. Because if you don't have any YouTube channel, or if you have account in GitHub, or if you have any Tableau, now this is fine. Now what is until here we are good. Now what we have to do, I'll just click on this elements from your section also, like the container, same how we did here. You'll just, or you can use the columns also, like you can do like this, the columns, and the two columns for now if you want the two columns, and the same things I'll do. I'll just drag it the heading here. I can write here my projects. I can write in the top, in the tops we will write projects. Okay, and the now its projects is done. Okay, you can adjust the things like as we shown earlier, right? And then we will copy this heading, same heading, I'll copy it and paste it again here. Oh, sorry, copy paste it, and here you can give your project name, like bank analysis project, and the KP, the details about the minimum details. Okay, so before we go further, I have one request, actually the big request before I never said. But as you can see here, you know if you guys like my video now, please do subscribe, because uh, I got a lot of motivation from you if you can subscribe my channel, right? I, as you can see here, the most of people, they watch the video. Please do subscribe, I'll get some motivation, as well as you also get help, right? So we both have to support each other. That is my humble request. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Let's come back to our topic again. Okay, so here you can give about information about your project and all. The alignment you have to do it, but I give you the basic idea how you can build the website. And even you, if you work in the Tableau or in the Power BI, maybe you saw the Tableau you share your work in the Tableau public, and you share in your work in the Power BI, like workspace. And if you didn't, please start sharing, man, because nowadays the it's, if you cannot show up your work, even you have how many skills, you will never get the job. Okay, so you have to share the skills, right? You can if you have uploaded your work in GitHub, you can give a link of GitHub. Just what you have to do, just image and put the logo. For example, I'll copy this and paste it somewhere. For example, if you have a Tableau link or whatever link you have, just use the Tableau and write the name. This is my work, like this, just use one heading like this one. I'll copy this, paste this somewhere, and move it somewhere here. Okay, and just keep it one. Okay, the alignment you can do it, but you can give like in Tableau project, about that little bit description about your project and all, and then you can publish, just publish it. When you will publish, like let me go back this one. For example, this one we made to just to show you, right? I show you how you can give a information in the button. What I will do, I will just share this to the public like this. I don't want to share this because this is just random. I can publish this, and whenever I will make a resume and whatever, I'll use this link. So it will give a lot of impact, like the person who is a data analyst, he know how to build a website, he know how to work on the Tableau. So these kind of things you have to do it, simple language. If I said, you have to show up. Without show up, you cannot do anything. Okay, so I hope whatever I show you today, you get the idea how to build a website. See, I'm not saying each and everything, like skills you can put it, or you can Google it. So you can build your website like this, like this person have given, as you can see here, he have given that GitHub page link, recent UI changes, he have given the YouTube link. This is the link, all as you can see here in our website also we did like this, right? See this hand, from where I changed this hand, I forgot to, wait, let me show you how. From the cursor I change it to the hand, right? Just go to the setting, sorry, here, the style, go down, and yeah, cursor, however you want, like grab or whatever you, I put it grab, right? This is look more good like this. So you can copy paste these things, the everything, whatever the any data analyst portfolio, like in this one, you can build this. As you can see, this is might be GitHub, yeah, Project Pro. See, they make it in Project Pro, but you can make it in Webflow. You can do the project library. See, the all these things. See, it is, since you will start working on any project, sorry, any website, you will understand how to work. He have given a lot of things, start project. He have given one name, the and the, like this one I was talking about. If you have published your work in the Tableau, you can do, the screenshot of, like I have given the data analyst portfolio project. Okay, this one, let me show you in this two. Okay, so for example, this one, what I will do, I'll just take a screenshot of this. I'll go to my website, I'll upload it like this one, and then I'll give a little bit idea about this, like bank loan analysis project. You can give a one button, like click here. When you will click here, like this one, we have given one link here for the YouTube. If somebody click on this, it will take him to the Tableau public, where how you create your dashboard, the visualization and everything you can show easily. Okay, so that's how you have to build it. If you want, I can make a video on how to build a resume for especially for the data analyst or data science or business analyst profile. But I have one condition this time. If I will get 100 like on this particular video, then definitely I'll make a video on it. Okay, so that's it for today. Till then, happy learning, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks so much.